Hello, this is Compound Interest Stock Guy, and today I'm just going to be talking about the commodities market, and I'm going to touch on the cannabis market on my take. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that bell down below, give me a thumbs up, I appreciate it. I also want to disclose I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment, information purposes. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talk about. Buy or sell after you did your research, your due diligence, and you like the investments you're pursuing. So okay, I'm just driving into town from some days at work. Okay, so platinum is really coming up. My last video I was talking about platinum. It was very undervalued versus gold and palladium and so silver, and eventually it just had to come up. So it's very bullish on platinum. It went up to 940, which is a very bullish. And once it goes to 1,000, I can see it go up a lot higher. Yeah. And then what else? Nickel's going up in the last couple hours. It went to $17,000 a ton. Very up. Silver's been coming up pretty good, and gold's just kind of chilling. We'll see. Crude's kind of flat. It's hard to say. One of these days it might start running up to about 58, 59, 60. Once it gets above 60, you can start to see it go up a lot higher. I got some Suncor calls. $40 strikes, good till end of December. I didn't pay too much for them, like $1. Yeah, I bought some OGI calls. This isn't in the commodity thing, but I'm just randomly saying that I bought some OGI calls, $5 USD till October 18th. Well, with commodities, I can see things going up a lot higher. See, nickel's gone as high as $22 per pound, and it's kind of a military industrial. It's used in steel to make stainless steel, so it has its uses. It's very good for corrosion resistance. That's what stainless steel is, corrosion. But then there's a chromoly and stuff. I'm not going to get into that kind of stuff, but anyways, just with the rate cuts, and things could start to go up a lot higher. Copper's been chilling about flat. So yeah, I mean, at $8 a pound, nickel has room to go up a lot higher. I'm in the GGI exploration. They got some pretty amazing grades. They've had holes of 8% nickel and 4% copper, but these weren't very long. They were about, I think, 9.6 meters was the longest, but they're assaying an 18 meter one. Eric Sprott's backing that. He's got a pretty good investment in that company. Again, speculation, but I've held it for a long time. I'm still in the red on that. I've made money before on that, but my last purchase when I bought, I'm in the red. But I figure it can go up a lot higher. I also own Share International stock, and I've seen it go down, but I can see it go up a lot. They do got some debt, but I think they're sitting on quite a bit of nickel. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much all I can think of right now as far as commodities go. It was cool seeing True Leaf Kim Rivers on Midas Letter yesterday with Nika Domi. That was pretty cool. Apparently there's another part 2 for today. So yeah, that's good. I think True Leaf is a if legalization happened tomorrow, True Leaf would be $100 stock in my honest opinion. $100 stock, absolutely. Maybe not, maybe $50, but you know, it's a lot higher. It would be a lot higher than it is right now, I'll tell you that. What else? Suniva reported their revenues, they weren't that hot as they told the investors in the operation update. It wasn't going to be very hot. I think they got some pretty good management. I was listening to the conference call actually, and I'm just gonna look on the charts today. I may pick up more. Yeah, it's hard to say. I think that they have a guy from Maxwell Technologies that just moved on to Suniva, and he was and Maxwell Technologies was acquired by Tesla, so shows some pretty good management. And then they have some guy that got a bronze medal in the military. I'm pretty fond ever since seeing the Cannabis guy, Andrew Grieve. I mean, yeah, sure. I mean, be like, oh, okay, you got a 14% interest, and the financing isn't the sexiest, but as far as their operational skills and them really ramping up their kilograms, I think Andrew Grieve and you know, the Cannabis team are really running on full. You know, they're doing their thing, and it's I think it has a lot to do with the fact that him and his an old guy that he worked with at another company who's also a military vet. You know, that's what it takes. You know, some really disciplined guys that are laser focused on achieving their goals in the cannabis industry, because it's not easy anymore. You know, the companies such as Cannabis Growth or the companies that were acquired by Cannabis Growth, you know, the Tweeds, the Metrums, and all that stuff like that, they have a lot easier than how it is today. So, oh, what else? Tilt reported 39 million, and it was quite a bit of losses, but it was about 50 million invested options that are out of the money. So the options are 525 strikes. So I mean, until it's 525, they're out of the money. So they're vested options. So yeah, they still would have a loss if it wasn't for that. But Mark Scatterday, he started Jupiter, that was acquired by Tilt, and I mean, their PR is not that sexy, but as far as running the company to be efficient, I think he has the possibility, the potential to start bringing profitability in a few quarters. So we'll see. They're also gonna they're closing up on getting their $125 million in financing. So I mean, I think at these prices is a pretty good deal. When the cannabis market goes up, I think that Tilt's gonna run hard. Yeah, so they basically would be about $50 million loss on 39 million USD in sales. So, and their margins are improving. So the quarter before was about 15%, and now this is around 30%. So I like that. Yeah, they're in Massachusetts. I haven't been following the every move they make, but I'm following the financials, and I'm following, you know, where they're getting their cash flow coming in from financing, those kind of things. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna just kind of end it off. I just wanted to do a little update for my viewers and subscribers that follow me. Hello. Thanks for watching. Keep compounding your info, listen to my lingo, and yeah, enjoy your September coming up. Hopefully the market starts coming up. Whether you're investing in commodities, or you're thinking about investing, or you just like to listen to me talk, that's cool. Or you're invested in cannabis, or whatever the case. Let's hope we have a good fall, and peace. I'm out.